Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the render chart. In the last update I told you that we're likely going to see a little bit more continuation of the correction that was already unfolding, and actually we've seen that. Today we want to therefore take a look at the chart, take a look at the updated chart if there is any update, and just get a good understanding of what are the relevant levels that now need to hold to generate an upside reversal and get back into an uptrend. The uptrend we're all waiting for. Let's go. Okay, we are on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. You might know this website. The link is in the description. You can register here on the website. It's completely for free. And if you register, then you get access to all of these Elliott Wave updates on the S&P 500, tech stocks, US stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Today, we click on the crypto section. And by the way, if you're interested in additional updates beyond what we already offer here, news updates, but also some of these short-term updates, check out our Instagram channel. It's completely new. You can also find the link in the description. So we select the render chart now, and you can see here that we are still tracking an ongoing wave 2 correction. I mentioned in the last update already that with a 60% likelihood, and that hasn't changed, we still see the price go a little bit lower with a higher likelihood than the scenario that we've already bottomed. So it's of course possible that in April a low formed, but it's not clearly preferred. And the idea, if we now see a rapid rise, a direct move to the upside, and the market suddenly breaks above the $6.08 level here, then yeah, for sure. I mean, we might already be in a direct breakout. We could be in a third wave rally to the upside. I would use the $6.08 level there as a confirmation level. Only a break above it would clearly indicate that we are in the next rally to the upside. That would also be basically where this May swing high is located at around 550. Getting above that might already be a first indication, but honestly, the price structure indicated already that we should see potentially another low. There was at least no clear upside impulse from any of these previous lows, and the $1.81 level is, as I said before, the next relevant support level. Any break below the 88.7 retracement level, not ideal. Remember, we're tracking this as a so-called 1-2 setup, which means we're likely now in a wave 2 correction. The wave 1 might have topped there in March 2024. That's the idea. And the move to the downside here, the correction that's been unfolding more than a year, is classed a so-called wave 2 correction. Ideally, it's over soon. It's basically a now or never situation. We need to get a break above $6.08, ideally before we break below $1.81. At the same time, in the very short term, it seems probable that we go just a little bit lower, maybe a little bit lower. Well, a little bit lower. I mean, that doesn't look much on the crypto chart here overall because of the overall high volatility. But yeah, I mean, from where we are now around $3 to maybe around about $1.80, it would not be unrealistic. Okay, so please be aware of that. What we want to see though, before we break below $1.81, is an impulsive upside reversal, and ideally the start of the next leg to the upside. What has to be avoided is a break below 43 cents. That is the formal invalidation point. We want to avoid that because any break below this invalidation point means that the whole chart structure needs to be reinterpreted, and the rally into the 2024 high was never a wave 1. So that's our invalidation point. Below $1.81 and above 43 cents, we have a little bit of wiggle room, yeah. But 43 cents is the clear pivot between bullish and bearish scenarios. Already $1.81, any break below will shift probabilities. Now, if we go above $6.08, which we should do either directly or after that, like one more low, which again is the preferred interpretation, it seems like we go that way, then the $11.82 level will be next. That's really going to be a very strong signal that a low has formed. It is this X wave high, which also is located pretty much where that May swing high is located from 2024. So a little bit more work is required here by the bulls to really drive the price higher. We need some more upside momentum, but in the short term, I wouldn't be surprised to maybe go a little lower, maybe for the next few sessions. That's the update on render. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to follow our channel here, subscribe, make sure to comment as well about which cryptocurrency or stock you want me to cover in future videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.